So with our ribs, we're going to first split these in half, just to make it a little bit easier, to allow it to cook a little bit more uniform. Okay, I'm going to do a simple dry rub spice on both sides. It'll add a nice little flavor as it cooks all the way through. And so now, we're going to start this off in the roasting oven. Now, taking our roasting pan, I'm going to invert the insert. This will elevate the ribs. And we're going to place this in the roasting oven. Now, closer to the top of that oven, it's going to help radiate a nice heat to brown off the ribs. We're going to do that for about 8 minutes per side. Then we're going to put that in the slow cooking oven to let the meat fall right off the bone.